This is a BOSU ball. It can be found on one of the racks in the fitness center, and it's pretty versatile. You can use it in a variety of ways. The first way is going to be flat side down, and you can use it to really work on your balance. So you can step on it, ideally having dumbbells in hand, and you can do bicep curls, tricep extensions, whatever the exercise is you want to do. Adding it onto the BOSU ball is going to add a little bit of stability and balance, really engaging your core while you do other movements. The other way to use it is to be on your knees. So if standing up is a little tough or a hard place to start, you can do the same exercises on your knees, lifting your feet off of the ground or keeping them lightly on the ground, depending on what your fitness level is. And then finally, another cool position you can use is by flipping it over, still working very much on stability. You can use the flat platform to do push-ups, planks, mountain climbers, and you can even use this as a platform that you stand on, but that is definitely a more advanced movement.